Yo! Want to build your first spooky mobile app the banana way? I've got the full code ready for you to copy, remix, and make it your own. We're building a creepy story app that plays spooky sound effects as you scroll. And the best part, once you're done, you can share a link and let anyone try your app right on their phone. Let's get spooky, shall we? First, go to Snack Expo and create an account. Then, on your phone, download the Snack Expo app. It works both iOS and Android. Now, back on your computer, create a new snack project and give it a name. And that's it. You're ready to start coding your banana-tastic spooky app. It works on web, Android, or iPhone. By default, the snack project comes with some starter code. Just delete all of it. Then go to this video description, click the link to this project, and copy the entire code into your app.js file. If you see a red line at the bottom that says, dependencies required, don't panic. Just click Add Dependencies until it disappears. That means everything the code needs is now installed and ready to go. Now, go to pixabay.com or any free sound site and download 3 spooky sounds of your choice. I used creepy music, a door creak, and a dog bark. Rename the files to something short and simple, like spooky.mp3, creak.mp3, and dogbark.mp3. Then upload them into your project. Click the 3 dots next to the Assets folder. New file. Select your sound. If any file ends up outside the Assets folder, just drag it back in. If you want to delete some file, click on the 3 dots of the file and delete it. If you can't find the delete button, zoom out in your browser using the top right corner menu until it appears. Want to show or hide the file panel? Click on the setting icon in the bottom, then toggle on or off. You can also switch between light and dark themes down there too. One thing to note, the web preview in the browser doesn't show the layout properly. It's a bit wonky. Click on iOS or Android in the emulator preview to see how it really looks. But heads up, sounds won't play in the emulator preview mode. They only work on your actual phone. So hit My Device. Scan the QR code and try it on your phone for the full spooky experience. If the Expo Go app on your phone says the project isn't supported, no worries. Go back to your computer, look at the toolbar in Snack, and change the SDK version to 53 to match what your app supports. All right, now let's take a tour of the code and see how this spooky scroll app works. Don't worry, no scary code monsters here, just give you a tour. These first code block is our tools. We're importing tools to use for this app, such as tools to play sounds, create layout, scroll through the story, and show images. Here, we load our sound files into the app to make them ready to use. You can replace them with any sounds you like. Just upload and call their names right here. But hey, make sure you call their names correctly, or they won't answer. This keeps track of which sounds have already played, so they don't repeat when you scroll back and forth. We're saying, only bark once, only creak once, that's spooky enough. These are like remote controls for each sound. They help us load, play, or stop sounds when we need to. This code is for background sound. It runs once when the app starts. It loads our spooky background music, plays it on loop, and sets the volume low. When the app closes or reloads, we clean everything up to keep it smooth. This function is designed to be reusable. Every time we want to play a sound, we just tell it 2 things. 1, which sound file to play to, which controller to use. Like this, play sound effects sound files.bark sound. Now is the return block. Code inside return is for what users see on screen. We wrap everything inside safe area view to make sure it fits nicely on all phone screens, even with camera notches. This is the app header. It uses and tag as a container to show a background image and the title, Ghostly Tales. If you want to change the image, just upload a new one to the Assets folder and update its name in the code. This section lets the user scroll through the story, and we check how far they've scrolled. When they scroll past 50, it plays the dog bark sound once. Scroll down a little more, around 800, and the chair creak sound plays once, and the background music stops. Want to change when things happen? Just update the numbers. This part is for displaying the story and a ghost image. You can write your own spooky story here, or even use AI to help you write it, copy and paste it in here. For the image, just upload a different image to the Assets folder and call its name. The last part is the footer. Here it's displayed a creepy little message at the bottom that sticks around as a final touch. You can change the app style such as color, font size, or message to match your vibe. And that's it. You've got a fully working spooky scroll app with sound effects, a custom story, and a layout you can make totally your own. Change the colors, add your own sound, write a new story, or ask ChatGPT to help you add cool stuff like buttons or jump scares. And There, you have it. Your very first spooky app built the banana way. Now it's your turn to make it even cooler, change the story, swap the sounds, or add a jump scare. Ask ChatGPT for help if you get stuck. Have fun, keep coding, keep playing, and keep learning.